If Lightroom is showing error code 182, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes in the right order, so you can get back to editing fast. This error usually means Lightroom is having a problem reading or processing the file, so the issue is often with the image format, the import, the location of the file, or even Lightroom's cache. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes. First, check the file type. Lightroom Desktop works best with supported formats like RAW, JPEG, and PNG. If the file is in a weird or unsupported format, that can trigger error 182 right away, so confirm the image type before doing anything else. Next, try re-importing the file. Remove the image from Lightroom, then import it again. Sometimes the file link gets glitched during import, and a fresh import is all it takes to fix the problem. If that doesn't work, move the file to your internal drive. Files stored on an external drive, network location, or cloud-synced folder can sometimes fail to process properly. Copy the image to your desktop or SSD, then try opening it again inside Lightroom. If you're still seeing the error, use a quick conversion fix. Open the file in another app like Photos or Preview, then save it as JPEG or TIFF and re-import that new version into Lightroom. This is especially helpful if the original RAW file is partially corrupted or damaged. Another important step is clearing Lightroom's cache. Go into Preferences, find Local Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Cache data can sometimes interfere with file processing, so clearing it gives Lightroom a fresh start. Finally, make sure Lightroom is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and install any available updates for Lightroom Desktop. Older versions can have bugs that cause file processing errors, and updating often fixes them immediately. After going through these steps in order, most error 182 problems should be resolved. If your image still won't open, the file itself may be corrupted beyond repair, but in most cases, one of these fixes will get it working again. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.